Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to create custom reports in Meta Ads. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to go here to our Meta Ads Manager. Before we go straight to the point, as usual, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps tremendously to create new content. So thank you very much in advance. And off we go. So you are here on your Meta Ads Manager. You have campaigns, ad sets, ads that are running. What you need to do is you need to go on the right, click on reports, and then click on create custom report. So we're going to click on create custom report. So once we come now to this screen that is loading, this is the interface we're going to use. So the first thing we need to do is on the top left, we need to give our report a name. I'm going to call it test report. So we're going to name our report. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the filters here. So we want to see all the campaigns and ad sets regardless of whether they are delivering or not. And now from the right hand side, we are going to customize our report. So meaning the breakdowns and the metrics. We are going to start with a simple report. So we're going to select our campaign name. So campaign name is going to be our first column here. And to make it easier for you to understand, I'm going to remove everything else here. So let's remove basically everything here to start from scratch. So remove everything that is pre-existing basically here. And now we're going to start from scratch. So we have our campaign name that we selected basically here on the right. That is going to be our breakdown. And now we're going to create a report, meaning we're going to add our metrics. You can either click here and select the metrics from this drop-down menu, from this list, or you can use the search bar, which is easier to fetch your metrics. So the first metric we're going to include is results. And I'm going to include also cost per result and then my result rate. So I selected these three metrics and you can see here my report is already basically populating, right? So I have results, cost per result, and result rate. And let's actually give it some more time just to see some more data here. So from the top right here, we're going to say that we want to see this report from June all the way to, let's say, April. So we're going to update our dates. Now, what else you need to include, that's up to you. But my personal preference, other than results, cost per result, and result rate, let's actually go and include reach. Let's also maybe come here and include metrics like click-through rate, for example. Let's also include metrics that I like to see, for example, let's say the post saves or maybe the post shares, which are really interesting qualitative metrics to understand how everything is performing. And of course, let's include the amount spent. So the cost is basically called amount spent in Meta Ads. And that's about it. This is our report. So we have our campaign name, and then we have results, cost per result, result rate, and then we have reach, click-through rate, post saves, post shares, and then amount spent. Now, obviously, you can customize the report any way you like it. Couple of things you need to remember. So from the top, you can save your report. If, let's say, you come back here and you make changes, you can save, or you can save with a different name, save as. Very importantly, on the top right, you can actually click on export and you can download this report as a CSV file or an image. And very importantly, you can click on share, and there are two options here, right? So either you're going to share this link with people who already have access to your ads manager, or you can share with outside staff or outside stakeholders. So you can enable this and you can copy basically the link, and then people that don't have access to your Meta Ads are able to come here and have a look at your report. So you don't really need to, let's say, share with them, for example, an Excel sheet or a PowerPoint. This is very, very powerful. What I'm going to recommend you also is, this is obviously a report that is based on campaign names. I will recommend you to create reports that are relevant to your ad sets, because sometimes, for example, you want to deep dive and see your ad set performance. And I will also recommend you to create similar reports based on your ads. So you're going to select the breakdown here as ad name. And you can see here that the report is going to refresh now in 1 minute if my internet connection actually does its magic. And here we go, we can see a breakdown of 4 ads. So that's how you can create custom reports on Meta Ads. Now, once the report is created, maybe one last thing. So how can you access this report, right? So let's say you created this report and you are now here in your ads manager and you want to access this report. So every time you come here, you're going to click here on reports, and then you are going to see here your test report. So recently viewed reports, test report. So you're going to click and you're going to come back to this screen, and therefore you will be able to have really good visibility of your performance at any given point of time. Alternatively, you can also use the link. So you can bookmark, for example, the sharing link, since you have access, for example, to the account, and you can actually go straight to this report and monitor the performance of everything within Meta Ads Manager. That's how easy it is to create a custom report in Meta Ads. So you move away from Excel, you move away from PowerPoint or other software that are more time consuming. I hope that you found value in this video. Let me know what other videos you would like me to create. Have a great day in any time zone. Don't forget to subscribe.